Today we have the 2016 Kia Sportage. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights as well as our keyless ignition. On the right we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, information and settings. We also have smartphone integration, media and radio. Just below we have our climate control with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between normal and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather cream interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.